There are 5 different collaborator categories in zipBoard: super admins, admins, managers, members, which includes collaborators and clients, and lastly, guest members. Super admins have complete control over the organization. This means that they can create projects and see all the projects that have been created in the organization by admins or managers. They can manage, promote, and demote collaborators in the organization and in individual projects. They have access to all levels of reporting within the organization, including reports related to specific projects. And lastly, they can add, remove, and customize phases and statuses in all of their projects. Admins have the exact same level of control over the organization, but they are not allowed to manage or demote the super admin. Managers have the ability to control projects in the organization. This means they can create new projects, manage and assign others to their projects as collaborators and clients. They can add and edit phases in the projects and view reports for the projects that they created or that have been shared with them. Within the member category, there are 2 distinct types: collaborators and clients. Collaborators are able to upload files and URLs to your project, assign and be assigned tasks in your project, and review all uploads in the project. Clients can assign tasks to others in a project and can view uploads that have been specifically shared with them in the project. However, collaborators and clients must both be invited onto projects, otherwise they will not have access to them. They cannot invite others onto projects, they cannot review any reports, and clients specifically are not able to upload files or URLs into the project. Guest members are people who are external to your organization that you want to invite to review specific uploads. They do not need to have a zipBoard account to view the uploads shared with them. The 2 types of permissions you can grant them are the ability to view the upload that have comments on them without being able to annotate or comment, or the ability to annotate and comment on uploads without being able to see other people's annotations. You can also enable both permissions so that they can view others' comments and annotations, as well as comment and annotate themselves. Thanks for watching this tutorial.